Hi guys, just so you know, I am filming this video upside down because the room that I have to film this in, my mini home studio, there's not enough room for me to actually get under the tripod and film the other way. So apologies, some of the video might be a little bit, I'm going to try to, I don't know, whatever. It's going to be upside down, for you it's going to be right way around. My hands may be coming from the top, don't be wondering what's going on. It's going to be like this. Like this. The review for the... We're not going to waste no time, let's get straight in and have a look at this filter by Nisi. So let's have a look at this. What do you get? An unboxing. Fairly nicely. All packaged really well, as you can see. Right, so there it is, the box, perfect. And what we have here is, as you can see on there, the holder, the rings, polarizer, and the free box. Something I'm going to talk about in just a second. Seal. Let's just open the seal. I've sealed this really well that you can't even open it. Right. That is some good card. Okay. There we are. Now, let's give it a quick open. I can stay here. So the back of the box is one of these where it can go over your belt clip or something, or a belt or some sort of harness or whatever you might be wearing, or even on your bag. Goes through here, falls over, done. Now, okay, we have a V5 Pro book, just give you some detail about the product itself, how to install it and how it works for Cantonese, Japanese and English and French and Italian and Dutch, but the box is a very nice leather box that comes with the name embossed on it. So I do really like this product. It feels good, it's quality, and it's really going to look after your stuff. Inside, as you can see from the box, inside you do get the holder, the 85mm adapter ring, which also serves as the holder for the CPL, and then 3 different sized adapter rings which can go on additional lenses. Now, opening up the box, so getting this out, here we are, we've got the filter itself, and here is the inbuilt 82mm holder. Lovely piece of kit. Now this piece in particular is all made from one single element, aluminium, and CNC machine for perfection. Then it's powder coated to this matte finish and then laser etched with all the detail. It's absolutely stunning. The differences you have between this one and the old one are with the older one and many other ones, you have the filter pushed from top to bottom, and this one is more left to right, so it holds your filter in a lot nicer and a lot better. So as I shall demonstrate now for you, they just slide straight in, and that now is better than the other ones. See, nice. Okay, and there's no movement there whatsoever. And yes, this does hold the leaf filters as well, but the Lee holder does not really hold the Nisi filters very well. Compared to the older one, we have this bit which is raised a little bit. What that enables you to do is actually have the polarizer which sits into the top. It screws in a lot better now because the gap here has been raised, so you're not having to mess around like with the old one. There's a bit of a raised part here, so you can get your fingers in a lot nicer and a lot smoother. Also, it has two rings to turn the CPL, so one is on this side here, there, as you can see, and then one is on the opposite side, which is here. Okay, there we are. That's that. And then the 82mm thread is within the center here. So all of these are 82, and they're just basically step downs. That's the 82mm there, so that goes on, that then screws onto here, and it's a simple case of screwing on, and that's all. And then that would go into the preferred lens of your choice. So there it is, the new V5 Pro filter holder by Nisi. Job done.